Hi friends, this is Jaslyn and you are welcome to my channel Jaslyn Creations. Today my project is about how to make this beautiful quill handmade Rakhi, and I will show you total 3 techniques today. I have made this Rakhi by using quilling strip. Isn't it beautiful? These both are having same techniques. I have made this by using silk thread. I have also made this Rakhi by using quilling strips and added kundan stones. So let's start with procedure. For this I am using nylon thread, jump ring, flower caps, stone chain, ball chain, pearls, stones, scissors, liquid glue, multicolor wool, and some 3mm quilling strips. First I will show you how to make this Rakhi. For this I am making one tight coil. So I am using total 3 yellow, pink and purple strips. So I am adding glue to secure it. So it's done. I have decorated the top part using some stone chain and kundan stones. So it's done. Now I will show you how to make the pom-pom for Rakhi end. For this I am taking one fork and I am taking a piece of wool in any color. Here I am using pink color. Insert this to your fork from the middle part like this. Now wrap the wool around your fork. Here I am taking total 3 colors. My one wool thread length is 100 cm approx. So add it completely till the end. Now take your thread like this and make a knot and pull the pom-pom from the fork. And make a tight knot like this. Now start cutting the loop from one side around the loop. After cutting the loop, trim your pom-pom using scissors till the perfect size. Now start connecting the pom-pom in other end. Now I am adding the red paper in the center part of the thread. And the tight foil in the center part of the circle. like this. So it's done. I have also added 2 small yellow tight pearls to decorate the side of the Rakhi. So my first Rakhi is ready. Now for the second Rakhi, I have taken 2 pink strips and created one tight coil. So I will show you how to make the blue teardrop shape. For this I am taking half blue strip and making one teardrop shape. Add glue to secure the end, like this. So now I am connecting these teardrops around this pink tight coil. We need total 11 teardrop shapes. So it's done. Now I am taking 1/8 strip of yellow and making one tight coil. So we need total 11 tight coils. Secure the end using glue. So it's done. I am connecting these tight coils in between these blue teardrops. I have already added one paper circle in the center part of the thread, and now I will connect the design in the center part of the circle. Like this. So it's done. Now I will show you how to make the tassel. For this, I am taking 2 yellow and blue thread and wrapping it around my fingers 10 to 12 times like this. Cut excess thread. Now just tie one thread in this side and create a knot. Cut excess bunch of threads. So it's done. Now I have connected the tassel in the other end of the Rakhi. So my second Rakhi is also ready. Now I will show you how to make the third Rakhi. Now I will tell you how to make the dome. For this I am taking 2 strips of dark blue color and making one tight coil. Secure the end. Now I am making one dome shape and I have already filled the inside area with glue. So I have created another dome like this. Now I will connect one dome with the other dome. I am decorating the joint with some stone chain by adding glue. In the same way I have created one blue and pink bead. Now I am taking one jump ring and taking one nylon thread. Just double it and make a knot inside this jump ring. Now I am adding some pearls inside the nylon thread. And adding one blue bead. And again one pearl. Then one pink bead. And so on. So it's done. I have connected one green thread wool in the other side and added pom-poms in the end. So my third Rakhi is also done. My project is done for today. Hope you like my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. And don't forget to click on the bell icon for the latest updates. See you next time. Bye.